Hello, and welcome to the course of pattern recognition in Python. My name is Angelos Marcos, and I'm the author of this course. The course is consisted of 6 sections. In the first section is Introduction to Pattern Recognition. In here, we will start with the basics. You'll learn what pattern recognition is, the different types of patterns, and why they are crucial in data science. This section lays the foundation for the more advanced topics we'll cover later. The second section is called Mathematical Concepts for Pattern Recognition. In here, we dive into the essential mathematical tools needed for pattern recognition. Understanding these concepts will help you grasp how patterns are identified and interpreted by algorithms. The third section is called Classification and Clustering, which we will explore key techniques in data classification and clustering, two core areas in pattern recognition. You'll learn about different algorithms and the real-world applications, which will help you distinguish between these two approaches and understand their relevance. The fourth section is Feature Selection and Extraction. This section focuses on how to identify and extract meaningful features from raw data. Feature selection is critical as it directly impacts the performance and efficiency of our pattern recognition models. The fifth section is called Advanced Techniques in Pattern Recognition. As we move into more sophisticated territory, this section will introduce advanced algorithms and methods for tackling complex pattern recognition challenges. And the final section is called Practical Applications and Security. Finally, in here we will discuss real-world applications of pattern recognition, particularly focusing on security aspects and ethical considerations. It's crucial to not only understand how to apply these techniques, but also to appreciate the implications of their use. As we move forward in our journey of exploring pattern recognition techniques in Python, I'd like to share some additional information to help you get the most out of this course. Firstly, each topic in the course will be supplemented with video presentations. These presentations will aid your understanding by elaborating on the concepts, methodologies, and techniques in a detailed and easy to understand manner. Secondly, to ensure you grasp the practical aspects of what we're learning, the course includes code examples. These examples will provide hands-on experience and help you cement your understanding of how data mining techniques can be applied for pattern recognition. And finally, at the end of each section, there will be a test. These tests are designed to reinforce your understanding of the section's content and help you gauge your progress. Remember, these are not just a test of your knowledge, but an opportunity to strengthen your understanding and clear any doubts. This combination of video presentations, hands-on code, examples, and tests at the end of each section ensures a comprehensive learning experience. We're excited to embark on this journey with you. Now, before we embark on our journey to explore this fascinating world, there are also a few prerequisites that you need to have in place. Firstly, you need to have an operating system on your computer. This can be one of the following: Windows, Mac OS, Apple, or Linux, Ubuntu, Lubuntu, any version of Linux. Next, you'll need a web browser to access the course material and online resources. We recommend using Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or Microsoft Edge for the best experience. Moving on, as this course involves programming, you'll need to have Python installed on your machine. We recommend using Python version 3.7, 3.8, or 3.9, or in general the latest version available. You can download it from the official Python website. All the links are actually in here. Finally, to run Python code and view the notebooks, you'll need to install Jupyter Notebook. It's an open source web application that allows you to create and share documents that contain live code, equations, visualizations, and narrative text. Once you have all these prerequisites in place, you're set to commence this exciting course. If you have any trouble setting up, feel free to reach out and we'll be happy to assist you. And now, equipped with the necessary prerequisites, additional resources, and an understanding of the course layout, we're all set to embark on our exciting journey through the world of pattern recognition in Python. With a mix of theoretical knowledge, practical examples, and regular assessments, our aim is to make this journey engaging and enriching for you. We're thrilled to have you on board and look forward to seeing you excel in understanding and applying pattern recognition techniques. So without any further ado, here we go.